Hello everybody, today we have Dell Pro Plus 14. It's an Intel Core Ultra 5 2nd gen. It's a beautiful laptop. Let's take it apart, let's see what we can fix, replace or upgrade. So start with bottom screws. Now we have to separate the bottom case from the Palmrest. So find a gap where you can put your tool in. Once you have the gap, work your way around the whole edge to disconnect all the clips. All right. Look for the part number on the white sticker right here. So now we have access to all the internal components. So start with disconnecting the battery. Now we can take it out. So if the battery is swollen or doesn't hold the charge, you can replace it. Alright, so that's our battery. Here, that's our battery type, number, model, and the part number. Here, those are our RAM memory slots. One is occupied, one is empty. So if the memory doesn't work, you can replace it, or you could upgrade it. You could add another module here. So to take it out, spread those arms, and you can pull out the memory. If you would like to install it, do the opposite, press it down and it's installed. Alright, so that's the DDR5 memory. Here under this cover, that's our storage. So if your laptop doesn't boot and tells you there is no boot device, or you would like to upgrade storage to the bigger one, this is how you can do it. Unscrew that cover, and here underneath, that's our actual drive. Now we can pull it out. So that's the NVMe SSD drive. Here, that's our Wi-Fi card. So if the Wi-Fi doesn't work, you can replace this card. Unscrew this screw. Now gently disconnect the antenna wires. And you can pull out the card. There is some adhesive underneath. Alright, now we can take it out. Look for the card model number here on the top. So now let's take a look at our speakers. So if the sound is bad, you would like to replace your speakers. So unscrew these screws here. Both speakers are connected. Now lift the speaker and disconnect from the motherboard and follow the cable, and you can take out the other one. So that's our part number. Here, that's our cooling, the heatsink to cool the processor, and the fan. So if the laptop overheats and you would like to add cooling paste between the heatsink and the processor, or if the fan doesn't spin, or it's making grinding noise, or it's clogged with dog or cat hair, you can replace it. So unscrew all the screws. Now gently lift the heatsink. Be careful, it may be stuck to the processor because of the cooling paste, so be gentle, don't bend it. If you bend it, it won't work anymore. This one is stuck. Oh. Now let's disconnect it from the motherboard. Alright, so that's our heatsink fan assembly. Here we have the part number. Now let's take out the motherboard and the I/O board. They both connected. The I/O board has our USB port and the audio port. So if these ports don't work, you can replace just this board. So let's take out all the screws. Oh, and by the way, that's our processor. Processor is soldered on the motherboard, so you cannot replace it. If it doesn't work, you have to replace the whole motherboard. Right here under that bracket we have the video cable for the screen, so we have to disconnect it. Let's see if we can take it out. Alright. Oh, let's disconnect the touchpad cable. I always close those retaining clips. If you leave them open, you can break it later. Okay, so that's our motherboard. Here we have the part number. And the part number also here. And that's the I/O board. So if those ports don't work, you can replace just this board. Now let's disconnect our screen assembly from the Palmrest keyboard assembly. So unscrew the hinges. Now gently unfold the hinges. And you can disconnect the Palmrest keyboard touchpad assembly. Let's see if we can take out the touchpad. Yeah, let's try these screws. Be gentle with these screws. It's easy to strip the head, they're very fragile. Alright, let's see if we can take it out. Disconnect the keyboard and the backplate. Alright, so this is how you can take out the touchpad. And that's the part number. And here, if you would like to take out the keyboard, you have to unscrew all those tiny black screws. But very often the keyboard is sold with the Palmrest as a keyboard Palmrest assembly. And here, that's our part number. And that's the part number for the Palmrest. And by the way, if you're looking for parts, check gatlaptopparts.com. And here, that's our screen. Screen is very fragile, so if you can look for the whole screen assembly like this, it's very hard to pull out just the LCD. You're risking cracking the LCD. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.